Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to write the word elegant in beautiful brush pen calligraphy style. For this lettering, I'm using a brush pen, smooth white paper. You can use any brush pen you have. For capital E, start with a light entrance stroke. Now create a large curved loop for the capital E. Add pressure on the downward stroke. Finish with a smooth flowing curve. For letter L, move into a tall thin upstroke. Press slightly on the downstroke. Keep it slim and graceful. For letter E, make a small loop. Keep the stroke smooth and rounded. For letter G, create a rounded oval first. Now extend the descender downward. Add a stylish loop below the baseline. For letter A, write a soft oval shape. Connect it smoothly with the next letter. For letter N, use a thin upstroke and thick downstroke. Maintain equal spacing. For letter T, make a tall upward stroke. Add pressure while coming down. Finish with a long elegant cross stroke. And that's how you can write elegant with a brush pen in beautiful script style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handwriting and calligraphy videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.